Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Route 164. Today I want to review this box of Racing Champions Mint, and this is the code. I haven't opened it yet, and well, let's open it and have a look inside. I don't buy many Racing Champions Mint, just the ones I like, so occasionally a box, but not too many, but some of them are very nice. So let's have a look inside. This is the case inside. This is the case code. Okay, let's take the first one out. This is a Ford Starliner from 1960. It's number 4. This case is version B. And these are limited to 2,000 pieces. This is the packaging. Let's have a look at the back. This is another set from 2019. This is the code. And these are the models inside of the box. So first of all, this Ford Starliner. Front of the car. I will take them out later. Metal base, of course, with rubber tires. Okay, next one. This is a nice one. Ford Mustang, Boss 302 from 1969. It's also on the top. Very nice color. This is a great car. Nice one. So this is also limited to 2,000 pieces, and the back is all the same as the other one. So very nice, this one. Okay, next one. Here we have a Chevy Impala SS from 1964. I probably only buy a case B. One set is enough for me from this case. Metal base, of course. And the next one. And that is a Mercury Sedan from 1949. Metallic green. White roof. And also this one is 2000 pieces. So all four are 2000 pieces. So if you have a gold chase, it's 2% of that. A gold strike, I think they call them. Okay, next one. A Ford Coupe from 1932. This is a nice one. I like this one. Nice colors. Silver with metallic red. Black top. Okay, until now, no gold strike. Metal base, of course, with this one. Okay, the last one, and for me the best one. This is one of my favorite cars, and that's a Chevrolet Corvette, and from 1969. Like this color very much, and this is one of my favorite Corvettes. This shape, and this is one of the main reasons I bought this box, because of this one. Love this shape, very nice. And this is also 2000. Would be a nice one in gold as a chase. Metal base. So that's my review. What do you think of them? Please let me know. And thanks for watching, and see you at my next video. Bye.